Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Quran and Salah the easy way, 3-minute series, lesson number 13a, in which we will start studying Azaan. By the end of this lesson, we will learn 54 words which occur almost 19,000 times in the Quran. So let us start Azaan. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest. Allah is the greatest. Whatever you think, Allah is greater than that. And the more you know about Allah, the more you realize that He is greater than what you have been thinking about Him. And if I don't go for Salah and kept sleeping or working after listening to Azaan or do not follow Allah's commands, then I have not accepted Allah's greatness in my practical life. Astaghfirullah. Allah has asked us to repeat Allahu Akbar during Azaan, Iqamah and in Salah. Why? The biggest entity that we should respect, look for help, have hopes in and be afraid of is Allah only. The more we study about Allah, the more we will say it from the depth of our heart, and this conviction will develop in us an independent, humble and a powerful personality. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu, I bear witness that there is no God except Allah. Ashhadu, I bear witness. An, that. La ilaha, there is no God, plural of ilah is aliha, illallah, except Allah. What does that mean? My talk and actions at home or outside, in the office, market, etc. shows that I believe that Allah is creator, owner, cherisher, ruler of the whole world. I obey Him alone in all areas of my life. I ask Him alone for help. And I love Him the most. Let us practice the meanings with Qari Imran.
Allahu Akbar.
Allah is the greatest.
Allahu Akbar.
Allah is the greatest.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Allah is the greatest. Allah is the greatest.
Ashhadu.
I bear witness.
Ashhadu.
I bear witness.
An.
That
La ilaha.
there is no God.
La ilaha.
There is no God
Illallah.
except Allah.
Illallah.
Except Allah.
Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah.
I bear witness that there is no God except Allah.
Jazakallah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.